If you want to add a touch of movement and personality to your Squarespace website, scrolling text is one of the easiest ways to do it. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create smooth, eye-catching scrolling text in Squarespace using a simple process anyone can follow. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Squarespace account. Head to the home page, click Login, and choose whichever method you prefer. For this tutorial, I'll use Continue with Google, then select the Google account connected to my site. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard where all your sites are listed. Just click the site you want to edit, and Squarespace will take you straight into the site editor. Now that you're inside, navigate to the page and section where you want your scrolling text to appear. Hover over that area and click Edit. This opens the page so you can start customizing. Next comes the fun part, adding the scrolling text. Click Add Block, which is how Squarespace organizes every piece of content on your page. In the block menu, head to the search bar and simply type scrolling. This saves you from digging through long lists of block options. When the scrolling text block appears, click it once and it will instantly drop into your page. From here, you can type in whatever message you'd like to scroll. Then take a moment to play with the settings. Adjust the speed, change the direction, or tweak the style so it blends perfectly with your site's aesthetic. These little details make your design feel polished and intentional. Once everything looks exactly the way you want, make sure you hit Save at the top. This locks in your changes and updates your live site. And that's it. You've just added scrolling text to your Squarespace website. It's a quick upgrade that adds motion, personality, and a professional touch that visitors definitely notice. Feel free to experiment with different text styles, speeds, and placements to create something unique to your brand. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to explore more ways to elevate your Squarespace site, and happy designing.